हे फैंटास्टिक्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइस, एंड वेलकम बैक to my channel. So in today's video, as so many of you guys literally has been requesting daily to try your recipes that you comment in the comment section, we have finally brought back Fantastic Tries It. So in today's video, we are going to test some slime recipes that my subscribers has sent me to my Instagram, because so if you guys have shared a video with a link, then it is most probably not going to be posted by YouTube. So you guys can just send me that video directly in my DMs on Farhana Nusrat or Fantastic Farhana. So you guys can give the link to me in the description by this method, so you guys can share that video to me and I will try it for you guys. So now in similar manner, I'm going to try all that recipes, and let me know in the comments if you guys are interested if I made a video with the comments that are held for review in the comment section. I would be like really interested in doing something like that. So let me know in the comment section if you guys like that also. So now, without talking too much, let's get started with today's video. Our subscriber Vani has requested this video, like as you guys can see. Now let's click the link and let's see the video. So this is like pretty viral recipe. I've seen the views. It has like millions of views. So I am like pretty skeptical, like this seems to be working. Like the Clinic Plus shampoo recipe usually works. They did not add any baking soda, they just added Boroplus. So I don't know how this is going to be working, but this seems to be working in this recipe. So yeah, let's try this and let's take this ingredients and let's see if this video works or this is just a fake video. So let's go and let's get started with the video. So now let's take our bowl. So this is our bowl. Like, I'm not even going to take different brands of shampoo because I really wanted to test this recipe's accuracy. So yeah, let's take some Sunsilk black shampoo and let's cut them and put it here. So yeah, I'll just fast forward that step. So I'm taking like 3 sachets, even though she's like taken 1, because I am making a bit bigger batch. So yeah. Now let's add water. I think about this much. And let's mix this. It does seem to get thick, like as you guys can see. Like, oh my god, what is happening? It is almost becoming like a slime. What? Wow. Now in this step, you guys can freeze this. I think this would also make a slime, like, but that is not what they did. They added some glue. So let's add some glue, Fevicol. Now let's add some glue. Let's add Fevicol. I think this should be enough. Now let's mix this too. Like, oh my, you guys, can you see that? How does, like, wow. In their video, it turned into purple, but mine just turned into gray. So from that only, you guys should think like if that recipe is legit or not. But yeah, let's see. Let's not judge it before, let's just trust the process. So I think I've mixed this enough. Now let's try to activate this with just Boroplus, and they took like just a teeny tiny bit. So let's see. Let's take some Boroplus. So here's Arboro Plus. I'm also going to be taking like literally the most tiniest amount so that you guys won't say I've added too much, that's why it failed or something like that. I have literally taken just the same amount as they did. So yeah, now let's finally try to activate the slime. They did say like mix until that, so I don't know what that means, but let's just keep on mixing it. So as you guys can see, this does not really activate. Now let's add a little bit more Boro Plus, like just this much, because we did take a little bit more amount of shampoo than they did. So yeah, let's take a little bit more Boro Plus. That may work or may not, let's see. So I've been mixing this for like 15 minutes, you guys, but my hands are pretty tired now and this is not going to activate. Like, you know, without even adding the glue, the slime recipe was like solid. You just have to, you know, keep it in the fridge and it will activate, but this is now just hopeless. So I'll show you guys how they activated it. They've probably added a little bit of borax activator. I'm also adding a bit of borax, so let's see if this activates or not. So as you guys can see, now this is activating because of the borax. So as you guys can see, you don't need anything fancy, shampoo or stuff like that. You just need some borax activator and it will activate just like this. So here's the slime. It's literally like just the same slime, and it is not purple, you guys. It's like gray. It's like common sense. I don't know why I expected it to turn purple, but yeah, it's gray. And our slime turned out, you know, activated after we have added our borax. So yeah guys, this recipe is fake, you know, and this does not make slime until you add some borax activators. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked this honest video, and if you did, then make sure to give this video a like. Make sure to get this video to 300 likes, and I'll soon see you guys with another amazing video. If you want me to make more these kinds of exposing videos, then make sure to give, you know, recipes. Make sure to DM me on my Instagram and I'll test those recipes for you guys. And yeah guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and that's it. Now I'll soon see you guys with another amazing video. Until then, bye bye.